Welcome into part number 4 of Dynamite Bell, not Dynamite, motherfucker. Divine Belial versus my lower tier Beyblades. Let's hop right into the show. Of Hyperion first. 3, 2, 1, go. 1 point to Hyperion. I swear he likes to jump in these pockets so easily, though. That's a burst. Yes, even though, let's call it a burst outside of the arena. That's basically what that was. I mean, Hyperion literally came up to Dynamite and hit Dynamite whilst in the air. Let's call it that, an aerial burst. Because let's say the yellow, like here would have been these would have been the sides, of course, where it would have bursted. But that's not possible, so we're going to kind of imagine the Beyblades jumping off the stadium and landing on the floor, but bursting before that happened. So, all right, 3, 2, 1, go. Ring out first. Dynamite Belial wins. Fucking sake, not Divine. Muppets! Divine Belial wins. Alright, we're gonna give a nice warm welcome to let's do Sword Valtriac with the fast tip driver. See how this plays out. See if it plays out well or not so well. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Damn! Jesus. Insta burst. 2 points on the board for Divine Belial. See how I was almost about to say Dynamite again? Alright, that was a very strong hit off the start though, which really made that happen. Go shoot! Damn! Right into the corner and destroyed. That's it for Sword Valtriac. 2 down, 1 more to go. For this video at least. Alright, next up we have our powerhouse uncontrollable Beyblade Turbo Achilles 1 Sword. He is the uncontrollable Beyblade in this stadium. Very unpredictable. Will he win or will he lose? 3, 2, 1, shoot! Achilles the point. Very impressive Achilles, very impressive work. You know, I've always noticed this. Whenever the Turbo Blades actually come prepared, Achilles will tick all the way to the very middle, and these Turbo Blades will come out. Always noticed that. If anyone has a Turbo Achilles, check that out. It's pretty cool, actually. I don't know what kind of grub I'm going to make, to be honest. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Sorry, guys. That was a very... I slid off of the blue launcher. That's my bad. No points for that one. Gotta get a good grip. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Alright, that's 1 to 1. Achilles, only 1 Turbo Blade came out. I think Achilles got 4 Turbo Blades. You got the bumpers and then of course the blades. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Damn! Sheesh! Victory for your boy, Divine Belial. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Actually, we'll probably fit, you know what? We'll fit 1 more. Hold on, guys. We'll fit in 1 more. We're going to put him aside for now. He's done, but like, we'll do a quick one here. We'll do Wonder Valtryek coming up. Ooh, you almost bursted him too. Well, you got a tick off of Divine. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! No points. That was a self-burst. No contact. I would like to have a cool burst here. So we're not going to count that. Sheesh, the stadium has got to be blowed out. I'm going to quickly do that right after I'm done with this video here. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Ooh, avoided the burst, Valtryek. Definitely was coming in close or very close to trying to hit him, but did not allow. All right, 3, 2, 1, go shoot! And there's the burst, ladies and gentlemen. KO. Take care, everybody. Hope everyone has a very good day or night, because I have no idea. Day and night. Peace.